Assalamualaikum. So this is our project for ENT 600. So our title for this project is Smart Door Alarm System. So first of all, we use power bank as a power supply. So you can see inside the box what we use for this system. So we use ESP32 Wi-Fi and also buzzer, LED red, LED green, and also we use magnetic read sensor. So I will show how the system running. So first of all, when we turn on the system, and then you will get the notification through Telegram. Smart door system is online. So you can see the LED red is turned on, and then when you open the door, the green LED will turn on, and also the buzzer will trigger the sound, and then you also get the notification that your door is open. So that our user know their home door is open, so they can call the police and rush back to their home to see what happened. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you so much.